Hi, welcome back to my quilt room. I'm going to show you just a really quick, easy, and useful little project today. But if you've been following along with me, you know that I mentioned in the last video that I'm going to be moving. And so in this video, there are 2 hints to let you know where I'm going to be living in the near future. So let's get into today's project. This is what's called a bowl cozy. And these are made to go into the microwave, and you can put your bowl in there, whatever you're heating up, and then when it's done, you could take it out without burning your fingers. You can only leave this in the microwave for about 2 minutes at a time, at least, without stopping and stirring it, because even though it's all 100% cotton, we don't want anything to catch on fire, and your microwave may be set at a higher wattage than another one. Here's how you'll make those. You've got a 9-inch, this is a 9-inch, 100% cotton piece of fabric. The batting is 100% cotton. And I emphasize that because it's very important that it be 100% cotton. And I made mine about a 1/2 inch. So this is about an 8.5 inch square of batting inside my 9-inch piece of fabric. Draw a diagonal line from corner to corner. And then using 100% cotton thread, you're going to stitch on that line from corner to corner. And then what you will do is take that after it's sewn and fold it in half. Come in to the inside 1 inch and make a mark, and come down 2 inches here and make a mark. The same thing at this end. 1 inch in and 2 inches down, and draw a line, and then stitch on that line. Then you will trim this excess. You will trim this away on both places that you cut or that you sewed. You'll trim those off, open it up, and fold it over. Go ahead and pin your corners again, just to try to keep it flat when you're marking it. And then with a ruler or your mat, you want to be able to mark it. Come in 1 inch and then go down 2 inches and make a mark. And then take your ruler and draw a line from those 2 points to stitch on. And do the same at this side. You'll do the same thing. Come in 1 inch and make a mark, and go down to 2 inches and make your line. If you need a quick and easy gift, these are wonderful. I made a whole bunch of these one year for Christmas and gave them out to family. And stitch again, you'll do the same thing. Stitch here and then trim. And then when you have your 2 pieces, it takes 2 pieces to do it. You want a print side and then a lining. And that's what these are. You will nest them together. Match your points and pin it. And then I start by the edge of one of the intersections. And then you're going to leave an opening to the corner. This is going to be your opening where you turn your cozy inside out. So stitch here a little bit and back stitch to reinforce it. The same thing at your next pin. Then you'll sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way around, stopping right here where you started. And then you're going to turn your cozy inside out at your opening. That's probably the most patient trying part of this whole project, is popping it inside out. But once you've sewed that and you turn it inside out, this is what it's going to look like. And you'll go back to where you started. Let me see where this one is, right here. You can kind of see those little stitches, and stitch just 1/8 of an inch all the way around the top side of your little bowl cozy. And it is that quick and it's that simple to make something that's so versatile and handy. Now, not only can you put it in the microwave to keep some of your things warm, keep them hot and keep you from burning your fingers when you want to take it out of the microwave. If you have something cold, like a bowl of ice cream maybe, you can sit it on your lap without the bowl freezing your fingers or your hands. So these make great gifts. Here's one this is just a regular size cereal bowl. It's Corelware, and they fit in there just fine. And then someone gave us these as a gift one year. You can tell by how well I've used it and washed it. You can make these larger. Make them as big as you want. These are great for when we have chili and we need a bigger bowl. Now you can wash these in the washing machine because they get dirty. They're like pot holders and they get dirty. And you can certainly wash and dry these. I wash mine all the time. So I hope that you enjoy this quick little project. And if you picked up on what the hint is as to where we're going, leave me a comment under the description below. Until next time, we'll see you later.